Welcome back. This is Shirley Davis, and I'm back to do another video. I want to welcome back all my subscribers and welcome to my new viewers. If you're new tonight, please click the subscribe button and click the notifications to get my frequent updates. So this is my Robinhood portfolio on today. Friday was a sell-off. Many people took profit and they decided not to worry over the weekend, whether there be an Omicron or some other new variant. So the portfolio was down 3.86% on the day. And we'll look through here to see my top stocks. Ticker symbol NUE or Nucor was up 2.74% on the day. So that is a steel company. We do know Biden's bill, Build Back Better. There will be a lot of steel used. So we're staying in Nucor. I've been in Nucor since March earlier this year. Next, ticker symbol TGT or Target was up 0.84%. So that was sort of a win. It was one of the few stocks that didn't go down today. Next, stock ticker COST or Costco held its ground at 0.65. So it didn't go up much, but it held at 0.65. And WMT or Walmart was up 1.61% on the day. So Walmart held its ground too. It was up 1%. And DLTR or Dollar Tree was up 2.13% of the day. So those were my top stocks of the day, more or less between Dollar Tree and PFE or Pfizer being up 1.96% on the day. So those were my top stocks in my Robinhood. And Chipotle is selling cilantro soap. People can't get enough. So this is CMG. Chipotle grill is down 1.2%, but Chipotle is actually selling cilantro soap. So I don't know if people want cilantro on their taco or in their salad, but they actually like soap. People can't get enough. This report CNN. So that is interesting. All right. And Musk Starlink to apply for Indian license by end of January. So again, Elon Musk has a couple of companies that are still private. Starlink is one of them. It was basically a new internet company which uses satellites in the sky to do internet, which will be a lot cheaper in the future. Starlink is still a private company, but hopes to go public very soon. Also, Elon Musk again, we see Tesla took a tank. Elon Musk sold off some of his shares today to pay a lot of tax debt. So Elon Musk, selling out in his own stock, Tesla, forced the stock down several percent today. All right, and NVIDIA Metaverse future bright as an ARM may slip from its grasp. So this is the deal. NVIDIA tried to buy this company called ARM. I believe they're based out of Germany. And basically, they're not going to allow the merger. So the U.S. FTC or whoever, they're saying you can't acquire this company. It will cause too much anti-competitiveness. So I did, in my portfolio today, I did buy a little bit of NVIDIA. I bought about $6 worth of NVIDIA. I bought $4 of Matterport. I bought $3 of Amazon, and that was about it. So I bought a few bucks of these stocks while they were down on the day. So they go shopping. Reuters reports Ford aims to be world's #2 electric vehicle maker in the next 2 years, reported by the chief operating officer. So that was reported by Ford today. And SoftBank Group shares slide 3% as Diddy, ARM, and Grab triple back setback. All right, so Grab is based out of Asian market. I'm not sure if it's Korea or China, but Grab is like a super app. Didi, we know, is a ride share out of China, and ARM, as I explained, is a chip company out of Germany. So quite a few stocks slid that SoftBank owns. So that's an issue. By the way, SoftBank is a major investor. It's basically a super venture capitalist fund out of China, and they invest in a lot of tech companies. A lot of your favorite names, such as Tesla, Apple, whoever. SoftBank invests a lot into tech. All right, and Starbucks fights expanding unionization efforts at its stores. Now, we do know Starbucks has thrown in of recently. They've tried to be fair and said, hey, we're going to help our employees get education, 2 years of college. But there's a lot of, I guess, the Batiste saying, no, we want unionization, therefore we want fair pay and other benefits. So this is interesting if Starbucks gets unionized. All right. So that was the news on the day. Also, I picked this graph up today. This is my portfolio. This is showing you where I invested in Google. In Google, I made a little over $11 this year. Ford, on $30 invested, I made a little over $6. ChargePoint, I invested a little over $40 and I made $4. And NVidia, I invested a little over $17 and made $4. And also on Nucor, I invested $30 and I made $3. So what this means is I made 10% on that. So there's several places where I made money. Datadog, I invested $15 and I made $2. So you can always make money no matter the size of the portfolio. And this portfolio, like I mentioned, is a little over $1,200, but it still makes me money. So I just wanted to show you that just because this portfolio is $1,100 doesn't mean it doesn't make me money. It makes me money all the time. So as you can see here, I've made several dollars here off a small investment of, 100 here, 30 there, and $17 here, 30 there. I'm still making 10% of my money there. I'm still making 10% there. I'm still almost making 25% here. So there's several places you can make money in a portfolio, whether the size of the portfolio is 1,200 or the size of the portfolio is 60,000. It doesn't matter. Okay, so I'm gonna go on to my other top stocks. And the top stock of the day was MRVL, or Marvel Technologies, ticker symbol MRVL. Had a good earnings call, and they were rewarded with a 17% gain. And it was higher than that. It was 20% on yesterday, but it was up 17%. Next ticker symbol MGI, or MoneyGram. MoneyGram was up 7% as well. If you're familiar with Western Union, MoneyGram is his competitor, and they were up 7%. Now, mind you, MoneyGram has gotten as high as $10, so I am waiting for MoneyGram to get back up to $10. It is trading at $6 now. Next ticker symbol NUE, Nucor. Nucor, we talked about it earlier. It is a steel company, and I think Nucor can still get back up to 120. It is trading at $110 per share. So that's Nucor. And the last top stock of the day was PFE, or Pfizer. Pfizer was up 2% on the day. Again, Pfizer probably will be coming out with a new solution for the variant in the next few weeks. So keep your eye on Pfizer. It may get back up another 2%. All right, so those were my top stocks. Marvel Technologies at 17%. Now let's take a look at cash gainers. I believe the top cash gainer today was Marvel Technologies too. There wasn't a lot that went right in the market today. It was a pretty down day, but we still made money. So we look here, ticker symbol MRVL on the day gain, made $50 on Marvel Technologies. Second ticker symbol MoneyGram, we made a little over $12. And third ticker symbol VZ or Verizon, we made $8. So those were the top 3 stocks of the day. We didn't make much money, but you just have to think of it as long term. So even if you made $50 a day, which is roughly 200 trading days in a year, that would be a little over $10,000. if you made 50 bucks a day with 200 trading days a year. Now, imagine if you only made 50 bucks a day for 100 days, that would be like a little over $5,000 in a year. So I just wanted to give you that tip. 50 bucks a day is not bad to make in a stock portfolio because it compounds over time. So that was my tip. And get back to my Robinhood. Again, on the Robinhood portfolio, the top stock of the day was DLTR or Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree was up a little bit on the day. Like I said, it was up over 2%, was up 1.64 in regular trading, and it was up another 0.48 in after hours. So those were my top stocks of the day. I want to thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. Please like, share. If you like some free stock from Robinhood, please use my link below. Thank you and have a good night.